summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What's going on, good party people? I'd like to welcome you to my channel with one great big aloha. Trying to keep it going. Getting the algorithm is tough. If you haven't checked out my last 2 or 3 videos, probably by the time you see this, please go check them out. If you can do me a big favor, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. We are on the way to 10K. Hopefully I can get it done by Christmas. Like I said, I always like to do a giveaway. So tell a family member, friend of a friend, and we can eventually get there. All right. I know this morning was hectic. You had those Jordan 1 lows. Chinese New Year, I guess they were pretty limited because it looked like I didn't see anybody with any guidons. Not too much guidons. I was surprised the P-Rod sold out, which is very interesting. The red, I guess they dropped early, but people like red. Myself, I'm still on the fence about those. I really don't need them. I love red, but you got to pick and choose what you want. I found some other shoes this month that were more important. This month is heavy. Man, it's so heavy. Look like the 2Ks pretty much sold out. Kobe's my guy. I didn't need those. Maybe I'll check back, do a reach back at the end of the year if I can get them for under retail. All right. So like I said, don't forget the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. You should have already done that by now. Make sure you follow the home team, Sis 303 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and go check out our Who Has the Heat page on IG. We tell you the upcoming battles, all of that good stuff, and go check out some of the battles on YouTube and consider subscribing. You can do like call outs. You can battle someone. We have the battle royals, which is pretty much your best shoe wins, right? The best shoe wins. And also you can call people out. Just call them out and say, hey man, I think your shoes are trash. Call you out, right? You can do specialty battles, Nike, runners, whatever may have you. So we always like to have a good time. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep this going. Hopefully the algorithm feels sorry for me and start promoting my videos. I know it's been a minute. YouTube likes you to do videos and long videos on top of that. Like 10 minutes. Yeah, I realize how long 10 minutes is. 10 minutes is very long when you just get straight to the point. But I guess it was meant for me to have these shoes because when I walked in the store, they were there. I'm not sure about the height for this shoe. I'm not sure they better than the Yeezy foam runners. I think I'm gonna need a couple more wears on that. They okay at the moment. So with all that being said, I think you know which shoe I'm talking about. And here it is, the Nike Mind 002. And it had the thing on there, but the foot and the pressure points of the shoe. I went a size 10, true to size, black chrome, hyper crimson. And the interesting thing about this is it is accepted by the American Podiatric Medical Association, PDA. So the foot doctors have approved this shoe. Now, what I understand is 10 years of science, technology has been put into these shoes. And when you wear them, it's supposed to help balance your brain, and your mind supposed to be stimulated. All right. I don't know. When I had these on, I didn't feel quite stimulated, man. I didn't wear it long enough, but you're supposed to feel stimulated. Just help you feel all good and fuzzy inside, I guess, right? Okay, so you got your box here, and you got your tape away from these. I actually already worn these without even reviewing them first, but you're going to get the review anyway. You get the stamp of ramp in there. I walked in the Foot Locker. I copped these for $145. $145. And here they are. Bang, bang. Check it out. Check it out. The crimson. Now, I will be trying to get the Mind 001 slide. Probably going to get that one in red. Red is my favorite color. Like I said, I'm not really big on slides because you can't go, even though I'm here on the islands, I don't really wear slides that much, and you can only wear so many shoes. I'm trying to do better about wearing my shoes, but as it currently stands, I will have to say These are not better than the foam runners at the moment now. At the moment on the initial wear, they are not better. So don't beat me up. Don't call me a hater or whatever that is. It's just them Yeezy slides, them foam runners, they hit on a different level. Now, let me stop gawking over there and get back to these Mine 002. So as you can see right here, you got your little ventilation here. And I guess you got some more not cushion under there. You see your strings. You got your nice little Nike there. These, you can go through the sides and you will be okay. Unlike the slides where they say you got to go one up, these true to size and you'll be all right. You got your little nylon here, your pull tab to help you get these shoes on. Inside, no stuffing. You got your, no shoe tree. You have your stuffing. Also in here, you can see you got your little pods. You see that? And then you have your production date. I should have a little bit more light because I can't see the whole production date, but you get the gist of it. And then on the back, you got Nike. These are kind of fancy because when I was wearing them, I was getting a lot of compliments for this shoe. You actually have a little string on the side, and this tag supposed to be in here, so it tells you all about the shoe. And then this is the tricky part of the shoe, which is the pods underneath. Now, when you wear these, you definitely feel it. It's like you are so close to the ground, but it is a different type of unique feel. If I get another pair, maybe I might try to get the tan ones just to go with these. But like I said, this is a very, very interesting shoe. Not all those bells and whistles and things of that nature. And oh yeah, it got the Mine on here too. If you can see, it says Mine. All right, and you got your Nike swoosh, and then under here it says Nike Mine Science Department. All right, Nike Mine Science Department. So like I said, there was a lot of science, 10 years worth to put on this to come up with this contraption or whatever you want to call it as a gimmick for them to say that this is supposed to help stimulate the mind. All right, but I'm not sure about all that. I mean, it is a light shoe, pretty light, so you ain't got, it ain't no chunky shoe, or it ain't no with a stompers, as I might really like to call them. It's definitely a solid shoe. On this side here, it's pretty sturdy, kind of feel like a sponge, like your bumpers, right? So other than that, can't say anything about it. Like I said, the whopping price of these is $145. If you go for the slides, I think they're $90. People are paying resale for these shoes, but I was determined not to pay resale. All right, but if it happens, it happens. Like I said, on red ones, in my opinion, are very dope. I might even be a hype beast and get the red pair if they come out in these with a chrome to your dome swoosh. All right. Now, with that being said, let's go over some stuff. So in the comfort department, out of 5, I give it about a 4.5 out of 5 right now. Okay, 4.5 out of 5, just where it stands. All right. So if you look at this, you already know, as far as aesthetics and shoe and all of that stuff, it ain't gonna be on the high on the Richter scale. All right. So on the comfort, like I said, 4.5 out of 5. You got some other shoes out there that's really comfortable that you can get, right? New Balance, Saucony, Diodore, Kangaroos. I mean, you got some Adidas now, Adistar 2.0, which I'll be getting that review to y'all soon. I call them the fake jellyfish, but hey, it is what it is. All right, but overall for the shoe, out of 5, the price point is not too bad. $145, true to size, something new, something good for the people, some new technology. I will bump it up a little bit and give it a 4.75 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. A 4.75 out of 5. You let me know. Is that too low? Is that too high? Are you planning on copying these shoes, or are you not? All right. So like I said, leave a comment. I will get back to all of my comments. Make sure you follow me on IG, Emoneyshoes. Like I said, tell a family member, a friend of a friend. Now some other stuff, just to the back of this, just coming out this week. I think you have, I want to say the Air Max, all those different Air Max coming out. If you're interested in that, I'm going to be passing on those. The Levi's, I only like that white and blue, and maybe I'll double back for that, but it's not a must because I have the 4 set, which I rarely get a chance to wear. As you see, I have all these fours behind me. That is my favorite silhouette. So currently, probably my next pickup will be probably another pair of the Stranger Things foams, the Union ones, and for sure the Wolf Grade 5. Because y'all see people out here fighting over their shoes. So that's definitely one shoe I never own, and I want to have it in collection. Other than that, thanks for listening to me. Thanks for all the love and support, and I'm out. Peace.